This time, OPPO has introduced the OPPO Pad Mini, an 8.8-inch device that is the first in the small tablet camp to feature the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5. First, let's talk about how it feels in the hand. The matte version weighs 282 grams and is 5.46 millimeters at its thinnest point. The standard version is even thinner and lighter, as thin as a foldable phone and lighter than a can of soda. With its 8.8-inch screen, you can easily fit it into your pocket and take it anywhere. It features 2.99mm bezels and a unibody metal design, providing an excellent premium feel when held. It comes in 3 colors. The purple one in my hand is the flagship color. It's quite understated. The back panel has a slight frosted texture and is fingerprint resistant. The screen is the most noteworthy aspect of this device. Let's start with a side-by-side comparison with the iPad mini. The iPad mini uses an LCD screen, while the OPPO Pad mini uses an OLED screen. The difference in contrast and black levels is visible to the naked eye. The black on an OLED is true black, whereas the black on an LCD is a backlit gray. It has a resolution of 2889 by 1920 and a 144Hz adaptive refresh rate. The screen aspect ratio is 3:2 with a peak brightness of 1600 nits. This 3:2 ratio is actually closer to A4 paper, making it more comfortable whether you're viewing documents in landscape mode or scrolling content in portrait mode. Under direct sunlight outdoors, the matte version of the OPPO Pad mini eliminates 99% of distracting reflections, keeping the screen content clearly visible. In the same scenario, the iPad mini suffers from severe glare and requires you to adjust the viewing angle just to see clearly. The contrast in eye protection is even more obvious. Its minimum brightness is just 2 nits, while the iPad mini's is around 30 nits. This makes a huge difference in eye strain during nighttime reading. Thanks to its 4230Hz ultra-high frequency PWM dimming, eye fatigue is noticeably lower when looking at the screen for extended periods. It has passed both the TÜV Rheinland Intelligent Eye Care 5.0 and reflection-free dual certifications, neither of which the iPad mini has. There's also a new feature called Pastel Mode, which softens and desaturates the screen's colors, making it visually much closer to the feel of paper pages. As for performance, let's look straight at the frame rate chart. This is the first time the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 has been used in a small tablet. Combined with the full link optimization of Link C Touch, this chip delivers precise touch response with absolutely no drifting sensation during swipes and gestures. Super frame rate and image enhancement technologies push the visual frame rate even higher, resulting in a smoothness that surpasses the native frame rate. Next, let's talk about the AI Stylus, which I find to be the most interesting part. Starting with the writing feel, the friction between the pen tip and the screen very closely mimics the resistance of writing on paper. The pressure sensitivity is distinct. Pressing lightly draws fine lines, and pressing harder produces thicker ones. Both writing and drawing feel incredibly responsive. The most practical feature is AI Circle. You can use the pen to circle any content on the screen to instantly extract and process it. Circling a paragraph of text allows for one-click summary, while circling an image lets you extract the subject or recognize the content, all without having to take a screenshot and open another app. There's also AI Drawing. Casual sketches, block diagrams, or stick figures are directly converted by AI into neat mind maps or professional charts. This saves a lot of formatting time when taking notes and organizing thoughts. In terms of battery life, it packs an 8000 mAh battery with 67-watt fast charging. It can continuously play videos for 19.5 hours and run games for 6.2 hours. The OPPO Pad mini crims flagship specs into a small tablet that fits perfectly in your pocket. Compared to the iPad mini, it holds advantages in 2 dimensions: eye protection and display quality. The performance of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 for gaming is also uncompromising. The stylus's writing feel and the maturity of its AI features are equally exceptional.